Hey guys, Bodhi here from Pierce Maker Studios, bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this wireless security system from CamCamp, I believe it's called, SC23 model. These things seem pretty cool. I saw them on Amazon. It records them and sends them to this little device, little store. And what's cool is it's wireless. That's honestly my best thing about it. I have the one that comes with 6 of them, and it's also solar powered. So yeah, you don't have to run anything back to it. All you have to do is just connect it to like internet or something. And I just figured I'd do a little review on it. I want to get into more like techie reviews. I definitely know I'm going to review some of my robot vacuums that I have. So I figured I'd do this one too. When you first open up the box, you'll see this. And then down here, you'll see some like instruction things and also some cameras. So in there, I essentially just pulled out 2 of what look like the same boxes, basically the same. Yeah, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 cameras right there. And then I don't know what this is. A cord for most likely like a screen thing. It comes with a whole mouse. Holy crap. All this like software stuff, and then this looks like the thing you wire up to the router. Then in here, there should be a screen of some sort. These looks like solar panels. But if there's a mouse, then there must be a screen to put that mouse to, but I'm not seeing it, but I'm sure I will in a little bit. All right, I got everything out of the box. And yeah, it's looking really good. It looks very simple. It just looks very straightforward. You just put these on the cameras, you put them where you want, and they'll route out. I think this thing has an app. I'm not completely sure though. I hadn't done a ton of research. Well, I did, but I got this for Christmas and it's March now. So I'm not as familiar as I was with it, but I'm going to watch a video on YouTube to get myself readjusted to what it's like. So it comes with 500 gigabytes of storage. That is great. Can't wait to use that. All right, guys. So after that, the setup was pretty easy, honestly. All you had to do is just plug them in. And you got your wire and your base station all set up. You just plug it right into the internet, not hard at all. And then you hang them, which is very self-explanatory. It comes with all these pieces. You can get the solar panels hung up. I wish the wires could be a little more hidden, but it's really not a big deal. See, I got that one up there. I have 6 of them. That one, then this one has like the whole yard where all the animatronics will eventually be and always are. Over here, we have one for the side yard. Not really for any, just, this is more home security. This isn't really for the props, and the lights are turning on for this one as I go by. But yeah, this one and the backyard are more for home security than just, you know. It seems like that one over there is the only one that actually has the lights turning on every time, which is interesting. Maybe that's something I can do in the app. Yeah, I have one right there, kind of facing towards the back door. And then I also have this one, which kind of gets the whole backyard. And then this one gets the other side yard. And I've already seen the other one already starts recording whenever I go by, which is great, but it doesn't record all the time. You can go back a couple days and then I think it automatically deletes it, which is great. I love these things, and I can't wait to use them for now and for Halloween season. Yeah, love these things. Yeah, if you want a really great security system, I will leave a link in the description if you'd like to purchase it. The CamCamp. It's either CamCamp, I think it's CamCamp though. Wait, I might be able to say it up there. Let's zoom in. I think that's CamCamp. Yep. You can get a 4-piece, a like 6-piece. I think they even offer like an 8 or 10-piece, which is great and pretty affordable, honestly. Like it's about like $400 to get this set, and that's great. That's including like it'll take videos for you. The lights are already on it. That includes everything, including the base station, everything. There's no like hidden charges for this, unless you want like something super crazy, like if you want to store it for like a year, which I don't know why you'd need. But if you would like to store it for a significant amount of time, then you will have to pay. But other than that, you can just click the icon on the screen. Somewhere it will say like record every time, and it'll do that. And you can also adjust the sensitivity. You can kind of have whatever you want. Currently, I only have this one like records if anybody comes around, because I mean, that's the only one I'd be a little worried about. Obviously, these ones just kind of pick up cars. That one just, yeah. So I really, really do recommend these things. CamCamp, I believe they're called. Yeah, I will leave a link in the description to them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, as it does help the channel against the YouTube algorithm. And other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.